Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this extension cord with this plug. So the first thing you want to do is show you the tools that you need. One, you need this plug, which you can get at any retail store like a hardware store. Next, what you want is pliers. Or you could use scissors to cut the insulation from the rubber. Next, what you need is a screwdriver to take this screw out. Now what you want to do is cut the rubber from the insulation of the wires like this. Make sure you cut enough out. Like this will be enough. Make sure not to slice the wire inside. Now that the insulation is removed, you want to cut the insulation from the copper wires inside. Like this, with this wire stripper. Make sure you use the correct size so you don't cut some of the little strands of wire inside. And right there, it got removed. Now you want to do the red and black. Now that you have the wires stripped, you want to take the screw from your adapter that you bought, like so. And you want to set this screw somewhere where you won't lose it. Like I'm going to set it in this container so I don't lose it. Now what you want to do is you want to open it like this. These flaps will not be removed. Now I'm going to show you which wire goes to which screw. The green goes to this green screw. The white goes to this silver screw. And the black goes to this copper wire. This one right here. The black wire. Now what you want to do in your wire is you want to make sure you have your wires like this in a U shape. So when the screw gets screwed, it will snag on it. And it will not have any bad connections. It doesn't matter where you connect, which wire you start to connect to. But just make sure the wires are connected in the right place. Because it will not work if the black wire is on this screw. Now what you want to do is, if it's screwed in all the way, you want to unscrew it like this. Now I'm going to do the white wire first. Like this. Make sure your wires aren't too long, because if it's too long, it will not work as well to get a good connection. Now what I'm doing here is screwing in the wire. As you see right here, some of the wires aren't in. So what I'm going to do is take it out and reposition it. Now I'm going to screw it in. As you see, the wire gets tightened with the screw. Now I'm going to do the black wire. I'll save the green wire for last. Now you can screw in the wire. Make sure it is snug like this. Now what you want to do is do the green wire. Now what you want to do is screw it in. If you got some wire that sticks out, just reconnect it again. Now that you connected your wires together and making sure that there's no other wires touching each other, you can close the connector. Now, but before you close it, what you want to make sure is that there's no other wires touching the part where it will meet the screw hole. Now that you know that, you can close it and add your screw like this. Now that it's connected, you can tug on it a little bit and it will not be disconnected. Now if you connected it right, the wire should work. Now I'm going to be showing you that it works. I'm going to turn off the light like so. You should see it turn off now. It's dark as you see right now. I'm going to connect the adapter. I'm going to connect the new adapter we just made to this. If it works, the light should come back on like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it should come back on. You see it right there. The adapter works. Right there, I connected it right there with the same cable. No other wires is needed except the adapter. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.